Hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm one of the children's librarians at the Sonoma County Library. And every June and July for summer reading, we have a craft that you can pick up weekly at your local branch, starting on Mondays. And today I'm going to share with you a really cool rainbow craft. You ready? In your craft bag, you'll receive one red cord and two of each rainbow hearts: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, darker blue, and purple. And the cool thing is, the back sides of these hearts have an adhesive. You'll peel off the paper just like I'm about to show you. The first thing you'll want to do when you're making your rainbow heart decoration is tie a knot on here. You can ask a grown-up to help you. You tie a knot like this. Next, you'll unpeel one of your hearts. You want to put the sticky part of the heart right down the middle of the cord here. Just make sure it sticks. Then get the other heart and unstick that one. Once you got the sticky side, you just line it up and put it with the other heart. And there you go. You have a heart on both sides. And continue to do it with the orange and the yellow and the green. You can put it in whatever order you like. Next, if you want, you can also write on your heart. Maybe put your pet's name or a friend's name. Maybe you want to give it as a gift. Another great thing to do is this month we're celebrating Pride Month. We're celebrating our LGBTQ plus community, and you can hang it on a doorknob. I hope you have fun making your rainbow heart decoration. Remember, you can give it as a gift. You can draw on it, write someone's name, celebrate Pride, hang it outside. And don't forget to sign up for the Summer Reading Beanstack Challenge, and you can win prizes. Read 8 hours and pick up a free book. Read another 8 hours, pick up another free book. And we have weekly raffle prizes. So come on by and enjoy the summer reading program.